Our Block Imaging West location has over 17,000 square feet, over 20 staging bays with CTs and other X-ray equipment staged and ready to validate parts and serve customers.
So as you walk through the front door at our facility, one of the great things that you're going to see is it's going to feel like the block imaging culture. We've been able to take what we have in Michigan and move it to the West Coast, and to be able to take that culture and serve our customers really well. As we work through the office space that you see, we have our teams that are doing sales and service and engineering, and able to work through problems that we have together and be able to make thoughtful decisions as we're moving forward to serve you. It's happening right here. As we walk back out into our staging bays, there's over 20 staging bays that we can validate systems, repair parts, validate warranty claims and DOA claims to ensure that our process that we have are working correctly, because it's important that when you get a part, you know the part's working and you're not trying to figure out, hey, is this part bad? Is it what I'm doing? Is it the system? We pride ourselves in what we're able to bring to the industry when it comes to warranty rates. And this is another way that we're going to be able to take that to the next step.
You will see that this is a facility that has been laid out with careful thought to how we move both parts and equipment through with excellence. The staging bays, the power, the lead-lined walls, all designed for the purpose of keeping imaging equipment up and running for the purpose of validating repairs and making sure that we have high quality parts on the shelf.
One of the big things that we found for our customers on the West Coast is to be able to have same-day shipping, but not just same-day shipping. Your ability to actually come to our facility, grab a part, take it back to the hospital, and get you up and running in hours is a really big deal. The fewer patients that we can cancel that have to be scanned and reviewed is a really big deal. This truly is a potential for life and death.